As San Francisco's local clean electricity provider, CleanPowerSF is committed to ensuring clean energy is accessible to everyone across our city. That commitment is what led us to develop our solar inverter program.
We just feel very fortunate that I have a house where the roof was able to have solar panels installed and generates, a lot of benefits in terms of being able to save on the bills.
Unfortunately, one of the hidden costs of solar is the investment required to maintain the system. A solar inverter is one of the most important pieces of equipment, which needs to be replaced. Yet the high cost presents barriers for many rooftop solar owners with low incomes. To keep these solar systems running, we developed a solar inverter replacement program. The program provides direct financial assistance for system inspections, inverter replacements, and repairs.
To date, the Solar Inverter program has enrolled 171 low-income households in need of solar repairs and upgrades. This program ensures that CleanPowerSF customers can continue to see lower electricity bills as a benefit of their solar systems. Promoting an equitable transition to cleaner energy requires us to think about potential operations and maintenance gaps, particularly for low-income customers.
It's important that we design solutions that ensure the economic and environmental benefits of the clean energy transition continue to reach customers who need it most.
I just love GoSolarSF, and thanks so much for this program.